Hi, my name's Jada and welcome to our Martin Street project. In this renovation, we've modified the kitchen and the butler's pantry. We've teamed up with Laminex to create the key features in these spaces. I'm here today with Joel from Laminex, and today we're going to have a chat about the brand.
Thank you for having me. Laminex has been an Australian manufacturer for almost 90 years, and we specialise in laminates and board product, and we're also expanding our range all the time as well.
So at our Martin Street project, olivine is one of the main focal points in the renovation. I chose this colour because it was quite bold. So what is the process behind introducing new colours into the range?
There are several factors that go into the development of our colours. So there is a new rule that we've recently introduced. If the colour actually isn't found in the natural Australian landscape, we don't introduce it into the range.
From day one, our client wanted to use green as part of the renovation. Other parts of the brief were to create functionality, more natural light, and an open plan living. To achieve this, we've removed a wall and relocated the kitchen. By removing the wall, we've allowed more natural light to stream through the kitchen. To further brighten up the kitchen, we have also added in a skylight. Olivine is a yellow-based green. Working with this as the feature, we opted for a warm oak flooring and brushed brass fittings and fixtures. Laminex offers a user-friendly and high-quality product without compromising on colour.
We really like to order the product from the Laminex website. It's really easy to use. The Laminex products are generally in stock and ready for next day delivery. Laminex has a huge range of quality products and just makes it easy from a manufacturing perspective with plenty of options in board and sheet sizes. Our clients also like knowing they're receiving a high quality product.
One thing we really love about working with Laminex is your integrated colour series.
Yeah, our team work and partner with Dulux to match our most popular decors with their colours. This allows for a seamless integration between cabinetry and walls.
To achieve open plan living, I suggested incorporating the dining table into the island. This creates a seamless connection between each of the spaces. We've used integrated appliances to create a clean look. In this project, we opted for a natural finish. Our favourite finish is absolute matte or natural. So what are the benefits of using an absolute matte finish?
So our absolute matte finish features InvisiTouch technology. So this technology adds performance capabilities, which includes fingerprint resistance as well as added durability.
By relocating the kitchen, we've been able to maximise the space in the laundry. Key features in this space is the custom wine rack, appliance cupboard, maximising bench space and storage.